If you're already planning your weekend and you love indulging in a Sunday brunch buffet, then grab your mimosa and join us, because in April we're celebrating National Brunch Month. Joining me now in the kitchen is celebrity chef Mark Kalix. Always great to have you.
Thanks for having me again. Appreciate it.
Yes, you're going to show us how to make like the ultimate omelet buffet bar, if you will. So what are we starting with? How do we get this going?
I'll tell you what, if you're like me, the best part of the brunch is having someone make custom omelet for you.
Yes.
And it's so easy to do at home, but it requires some pre-planning and a couple of skills.
Yeah.
Flipping eggs is nothing to be afraid of, so let's give it a shot.
Doing it.
Okay, so I like to have an array of things ready to go. I've got some ham, I've got tomatoes, lots of veggies, and things like mushrooms and onions. You wouldn't necessarily want to get a big piece of raw onion or raw mushroom in your omelet.
So dicing them in a small size is probably most beneficial.
That, and also I cook them in advance.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right. Well, there you go. So you're doing that prep the day before you're planning your omelet bar.
Even 2
Makes
days
it a lot
in
easier.
advance.
Oh, there you go.
Right. So let's say we're having brunch on a Sunday.
Yeah.
Why not Friday at lunch, Saturday evening? Just, why do another prep? Just knock it out. Okay. Egg pans.
Yes.
Really important. Only use your egg pan for egg. So just dedicate 1 or 2 pans.
And does that help with it keeping that non-stick?
Exactly.
Okay.
And you don't scratch it, and then you don't have to worry about contaminating your food and chemicals and all that stuff. So, I like to take real good care of my pans. So when I store them, I make sure I have a towel in between them. And I'm like, okay, these are my egg pans. Lock and key. Stay away from these kids. Okay. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to preheat our pan. I got a couple of what we call click burners
here. You do it, because I don't know what I'm doing over here.
Yeah,
I was just going to pretend like I did.
Let's leave the fire to the pros. And do you crack eggs?
Don't mix me with fire.
Do you crack eggs one-handed?
I can, but I did learn a tip once on a cooking show that like you're not supposed to crack it on the side of the bowl, like the lip of the bowl. You're supposed to like crack like the whole side of the bowl.
I just, you know what I do? I just come in here and I crack, and I just go boop, and
that's
if
why
I get
you're
some
the
shell
pro.
in there, so what? Let's see your.
That's why I'm not.
Let's see your egg cracking skills here.
Hey. Oh.
Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. That was fantastic. I'm going to give you one more. 2 eggs is the right amount of eggs for an omelet. 2 eggs.
And then some people, they mix water or milk inside their eggs. What are you going to do?
I just go eggs.
Just eggs, okay.
Yep, and another little pro tip, you know where I put the shells? Right back in the container, because it absorbs all the stuff. You're always getting, stuff everywhere.
And then this is my little whisker here,
Yep.
Going.
Just a couple of eggs, and I don't like any milk or water, baking soda, anything in there.
Okay.
I find that, the eggs are just kind of nice on their own. Just give it a quick stir. Fantastic. Okay.
We're going. We're whipping.
All right.
Whip it good.
Guess what? We're getting so close here. I'm going to add a little butter.
Okay.
Butter is the right stuff, because what butter does is it helps strengthen the protein bonds in the eggs as they're cooking.
Okay.
Okay. What do you want in your omelet?
That's a good question. Okay, so how many ingredients inside of your omelet is too many, or can you never have too many?
I think 3 is enough. I'm going to give you some
onion.
Onion here.
Okay.
We don't have to worry about onion breath too much because they've already been cooked. I think you like mushrooms.
Yes,
memory
love
serves.
mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Absolutely.
And tomatoes for you, tomatoes for me. Yeah.
Well, my producer's like, why are you still whisking? I'm like, I want it to be like fluffy and like airy, right?
Okay. Okay, here we go.
Kim, what do you want in your omelet? I'll make you an omelet.
We're on it, Kim. Okay.
Oh, say she wants some ham, so let's put some of that in there too.
You got some ham in there. Little ham. 3 or 4 ingredients is perfect. So don't go crazy on the ingredients. You could always have more than 1 omelet.
And you can add some extra on the top too, right? As like a good topping.
We're gonna go in.
And I just knocked stuff down.
It's an avalanche of flavor. Go right into the middle of the pan.
Okay. Avalanche of flavor here, Colorado style.
Colorado style.
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a rubber spatula because that is the right tool for the job. Wooden spoon would be my second favorite. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull towards the center.
Pull towards the center.
And then tilt away from us.
Oh, and tilting.
And then I'm gonna pull from the center
and
tilt
the center
in that direction.
Aha.
Yes.
The tilt-a-whirl with the eggs.
The tilt-a-whirl with the eggs is the way to go.
This is awesome.
And look at this. We're getting nice, even cooking.
Yeah.
We're not getting too much
browning.
browning.
I was going to ask you about, like, how do you make sure you don't burn the egg?
You know, it really is lots of activity. I'm going to add just a touch more fat. I'm going to add a little vegetable oil because it's easier to add late in the cooking process here.
All right. We've got like 30 seconds left. So do I get
shimmy,
flip
shimmy.
it? Oh, shimmy, shimmy.
Shimmy, shimmy, and
shimmy,
flip.
Shimmy, shimmy. Hey-oh.
Hey, that was fantastic. Okay,
you guys see
cheese at the end.
I did it.
Cheese at the end, and then
cheese
this is the pro tip.
Okay.
You go directly onto the plate,
okay.
like so.
Dang.
My roll was not perfect. Yours is going to be better than mine. And oh my gosh, amazing! I love it. Perfect eggs.
So fantastic.
Needs a little practice.
Love it. The perfect omelet bar for your next brunch. Thank you so much, Chef Mark. We appreciate you guys. And now, guys, Chef Mark Kalix is the celebrity chef for Appliance Factory Fine Lines. You could earn a free in-home cooking class or dinner party. Find out more information on his website at celebritychefmarkk.com. We'll be right back.